Today, we are going to be looking at something very, very important and beneficial. We are going to be looking at a do-it-yourself recipe that will make you to be free from so many difficulties. All I'm asking for you is that you stay till the end. I don't want you to skip any part of this video so that at the end there won't be the need to start asking questions over and over. Just make sure you watch till the end and you get it, because I said it's going to be a do it yourself. My name is Lukman and you are welcome back to my channel, and I'll be showing you a very, very effective recipe that you can use when things are rough, you are not being favored, you are not getting headway in your business, in your contract work, in your shop, in whatever you are doing, and things are not moving. Things are so difficult. Even as a lady, suitors are not coming, and those who are coming, they run away. You need a special recipe. This recipe is special in the sense that I just want to give this. It's a secret that we use in our line of business, but I just want to give it out to some of us who are complaining. I'm doing this for a reason, and the reason why I'm doing this is because for your loyalty, for your understanding, for being with me this far. I'm just in the giveaway mood. That is why I want to give this. I've never shared this because it's a secret. It's one of the secrets we use in this our line of profession. So we don't normally give this out. And please, I don't want you to take it as a joke. Whatever I say here, if you follow it to the letter, you are going to achieve maximum result. But if you feel there is something you cannot get or you cannot do it, well, you can contact me. I have this for sale. I'm selling it. I sell it and it is not cheap. I have to tell you this, it is not cheap. So, what are the ingredients we are going to be using? We are going to be using some leaves, some very local leaves that you cannot get it somewhere else apart from going to the herb sellers, because there is no way you want to go to the bush and go and pick it yourself, except you are initiated into that art. If not, you have to go to the herb sellers to go and pick it. And if you know me from the onset, I'm just a person that likes to give things without telling you to bring this, bring that. No. Though I do sell this, but I want to give it to you. You can do it. It is a do it yourself. That is why I call it a do it yourself. And we'll be calling this the Mercy or the Favour soap. The Mercy or the Favour soap. And again, before I go on, I want to tell you again, don't skip this video for anything. Make sure you watch it. It's not going to be very long. Make sure you watch to the end. And for those who have not subscribed, who are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Subscribe to this channel so that this channel can go far. A lot of people can be aware of what you are doing. Give it a like, then share it to so many people, and you leave your comment if you have any comment. But I'm sure at the end of this there won't be much comment because I'm going to be breaking this down. Now we are going to be using some leaf. We are going to be using about 4 ingredients in all. We are not going to be spending so much. We are going to be using 4 ingredients. The first ingredient we are going to be looking at is called ewerere, or ewerere. Some people call it ewerere, some people call it ewerere. This is the way it looks. You can see it is dry. You might not get it because it is dry. That is why I said you have to go to the local herb sellers where you can get it. You cannot get this online. They don't sell it online. You have to go to the local herb sellers. ewerere or ewerere. Some people call it ewerere, some people call it ewerere. If you say it is ewerere, then it means it is the good leaf. It is good leaf. Then there is this one. I have to label it. There is this one. Ewe origin. Ewe origin means forgiveness leaf. Forgiveness leaf. You can see it's a combination of the leaf and the stalk. Ewe origin. That is forgiveness leaf. Then the last one we are going to be looking at, ewe anu. Ewe anu is different from the two that we have discussed, because this one is plain leaf. Those who know the fresh one can get it, but the best thing is go to the herb sellers. I'm going to be for those who don't know, I'm going to be listing it on the screen for you to see. You see it on the screen, so there is no need to panic or something. I'm going to be listing. This is ewe anu, and in Yoruba land it is mercy leaf. Ewe anu. Anu is mercy. So ewe means leaf. So ewe anu, mercy leaf. Those are the three leaves we are going to be needing. Then we are going to be needing black soap. This is our local black soap. You can see it is white. This is when it is very fresh. You have not missed it. See the way it is. It is not. There's some people call it. That's why I don't like calling it black soap. I prefer calling it African local soap. It is black when you miss it, but as it is very fresh. It is. You can see, it's leaf. You can see the color like white or milk color. But when you now miss it turns to black. So I don't like calling it black soap. It is not black soap. It is African local soap. Some comes in black, but this is the native original. Very good and very good. It is local. So if you go to the market, just tell them, go to the app sellers, tell them you want African local soap, or you tell them you want Oshe Agoyin or Oshe Dudu, the one that is not mixed, fresh like this. So that is all you are going to need. So the preparation is simple. We are going to be picking all the leaves. This one, like this ewe origin, comes with the stalk and the leaf. You pick all the leaves. Pick it into a mortar. You are going to be grinding it. You grind it. Pick all the leaves. This one too, ewerere. You are going to pick the leaf. There are leaves inside. You pick the leaf also. Then you pick the leaf of ewe anu, the leaves, everything. You put them inside a mortar. You can use the bigger mortar or the hand mortar. That is the best way to do it. You just pound. You can use the hand one, the mini mortar. You can use the hand to pound it, or you can use the big one. Or if you feel you cannot do that, if you have a grinding stone, you can grind them and make sure they form a powder form into like a paste. But the best way is to grind it in a mortar. Make sure you pound it in a mortar. But if the one that is very easy for you is the grinding stone, then you can use the grinding stone. Just make sure they turn into powder. Once they turn into powder, then get the local soap. You get the local soap and mix it in the mortar. Then make sure you grind everything together. Make sure it is grinded together. And once you do that, then you are about 90% completed. Once you do that, make sure it is mixed very well. Everything is mixed very well. I might not go into the detail of the leaf, but from the name of the leaf, you understand what they do. The ewerere is a good leaf. It has a special importance that good things will come to you. The ewe origin means you will be forgiven of anything. That is anything that is hindering you from having success or having breakthrough. you will be forgiven. Hope you understand what I mean by you'll be forgiven. Then the away and that's the mercy leave. Then people will give, they will help you, they will assist you. They will, I mean, anything, favor will come to your way, mercy will come to your way. So it means you mixed everything together, then you now mix it with the local soap. You mix it with the local soap. You mix it with, if you cannot get the local soap, then you can use any of Lux or Joy soap. Is a bar soap, that white one. You can use it, but the local soap is most effective. Is most effective. You can get the local soap, and the local soap is everywhere. You can get it from the app store. You can get local app sellers in the market. You can get this. It's not too expensive. So everything together is not too expensive. And when I say expensive, I mean it's relative. It depends on what you understand by expensive. But the one I sell is not cheap. It's not cheap. So you can do it yourself instead of. But if you want to give me money, I want money. You can buy. You can order from me. Just pay, and the shipping I will send it to you. So you mix everything together. Then you get a white container with cover. White container with cover. The white container might be white plastic, it might be metal, but it has to be white. It might be glass plate, but it has to be white. Make sure it is white. Don't use any other color. Then you pack it inside. Once you pack it inside, then you put it on a side. Just put it aside. Just put it in one corner of your house. Just put it in a corner of your house. Make sure people are not going there as they like. It is for you and for you alone. It is for you and for you alone. So how do you use it? Okay, after the preparation, before you use it, you have to get a white candle, not any other color, white. Then you now place the white candle at the center of the soap. Let's assume your soap, this is your soap, this is the container, you have the soap inside. That is, you mix the soap with the leaves. Then this is your soap. You now put the white candle on top of it like this. You have to put it on top of it like this. You dip it inside. You dip it inside the soap. Inside the soap. The candle, the end of the candle must touch the plastic under. Just put it like that. Then you light a match. Just light a fire, put a match, light it, and light the candle. The essence of the candle is, 1, just to sanctify it. 2, it will make the mixture to go round very well. Some people might be afraid it will burn the house. No, because it will burn to a stage. When you get to that stage, it will stop. It won't burn again. But you have the candle still inside. You still need that inside candle inside the soap. So once you have it like that, you can, once you do it today, if it is done today, then you can start using today. But in most cases, it is preferable to do it in the evening when you are around. Don't do it and leave the house. Make sure you are around when you do this. So every morning for 7 good days, you have to use it straight away for 7 days. Don't miss it with anything. And the good thing, the one warning about it is that it's not even warning, it's just a precaution. When you are using this for the first 7 days, make sure you abstain from sex. For that 7 days. Then after the 7 days, then you can be using it once in a while when you are going out, when you have a contract, when you are going for a business meeting, when you are going for an interview, when you are going to your market to sell, or you are going to get new things or something, or you are going for an appointment, then you can be using it. But you use it in the morning. You can't use this in the afternoon. If you don't use it in the morning, then you have to use it very late at night. But the best thing is to use it in the morning, very early in the morning. very early in the morning before going out. So you have to use it straight away for 7 days. Then after then you can start using it. I want you to use this and give me testimony. There are so many. This one is not something I've never shared it, and I'm not sure so many people have shared this, because like I told you, this is a secret. But if you cannot do it, do it yourself. But if you cannot do it, then you can buy from me if you so desire. But I have to tell you, it is not cheap. I don't sell it cheap. It is not cheap. It is not cheap. It's expensive somehow, and you have to include the shipping. Hope you have got value from this. I'm waiting for your testimony on this one. I want you to do it and give me your testimony. I know so many people testify, because already this is something I make money from. I make money from these things. Some of these things I shared with you, I make money from them. I share it because of the love I have for you. I'm doing this because of the love I have for my people, and I'm not actually doing it because it's a calling, it's a divine calling. It's something that I've been appointed to do. That's why I give it. But ordinarily, it's a secret. But like I said, if you cannot do it on your own, then you can order for it, and I'll be here to send it down to you until I come your way again. Remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.